Hey, how you guys doing? As you can see, we got all the tile in. I'm in the bathroom doing the last little pieces, gluing in just the bathroom here. You can see it looks awesome. The customer's loving it. So once I'm done with the bathroom, we're gonna start grouting everything, get everything all grouted in today, which I'll show you pictures of that when we get to that point. But you can see everything's looking awesome, amazing, because everything's looking great. If you like it, or you have a comment about it, or you'd like to share with a friend that's doing a remodel, or they're going with a Spanish style theme, subscribe, love us, take care. We'll chime back in later. Obviously, it all speaks 1,000 words, you feel me?
And now I'm like, okay.